Hello and welcome to you all. My today's topic is top bar menu on the project dashboard. So in Odoo version 18, Odoo has introduced a new feature called project top bar in the project dashboard module. So what is that project top bar and how we can create our own custom project top bar for the project dashboard? So this will be going to a technical side video. So let's jump to the project module. Let me open any project. So currently I have opened a research and development project, and when we go to the task dashboard, we can see here a project top bar menu is available. If I can click on it, we can see a different project actions we can set, and we can directly jump to that action for that particular project. If I am clicking on the project task, Odoo will show us all the tasks related to the current project research and development. If I am clicking on dashboard, Odoo will show us the dashboard of our current project research and development. So let's see what is this project menu, the top bar menu, and how we can create our custom. So in version 18, Odoo has introduced a new action called embedded action, and using this embedded action, the top bar menus are linked with the current project action, the task dashboard. So let's see how we can create our new project dashboard top bar for the project task. So let's go to the settings, technical, and we can just scroll down. We can see the embedded action. So Odoo has introduced this new feature, embedded action. Let's create one new embedded action for project milestone, where we can just click on the milestone and Odoo will show us all the milestone for the current project. So I am naming it as a milestone. Here we can see the parent action. So in Odoo, the parent action will be our project task dashboard. So let's select it. So I'm selecting a parent action project task, where I can click on the project dashboard. The task dashboard will be open, and once the task dashboard open, we can see our new menu, our new top bar menu, which is called milestone. And when we click on that milestone, Odoo will redirect us to the milestone action. So on action, in the action we have to configure a milestone action. So on a parent, Odoo link the main top bar menu for the parent and the action. When we click on that top bar, Odoo will redirect us to this action. And our active model, active parent model is project.project, because we are on a project, and when we click on the project task, Odoo redirect us to the parent action, where we can see the milestone. We can assign the domain, groups, as well as the user filters. We just save the record. Now let's jump to the project. I can click on any of the project. Let's just go the same project, research and develop. On a task, we can see the task dashboard, where we can see on the top bar we have the milestone. Let's click on the milestone, and Odoo will redirect us to all the current milestone for this particular research and development project. So just like that, we can add linked model and that functions for the current project, and we can create our custom project top bar in the project menu. Hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.